Do you want to be able to model using these awesome references too? Then make sure to watch this video till the very end. Alright, first things first, we need to find a good reference. One of the best websites for that is Pinterest, super easy and full of ideas. And hey, if you use other sites, drop them in the comments and let me know. Next, we bring our reference into Photoshop. Use the rulers on the top, bottom, left, and right to align and pick your model properly. Then, grab the Select tool and choose the parts you marked. Press Ctrl+C to copy them, and then Ctrl+N to create a new project. By default, the size it suggests will match your selection perfectly. Now hit Ctrl+V to paste it in, and do the same for all the other angles. When you're done, save all your images. Next step, open up your 3D software. Go into the 2D view, for example, the top view. Then go to View Image Plane, Import Image, and bring in your reference. Now, line up all the image angles so they match perfectly. Use a cube to match the image sizes and make sure everything lines up just right. Once everything looks good, you're ready to start modeling.